Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to edit text in photos using Canva Magic Layers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly customize text inside a photo using Canva Magic Layers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next step, Magic Layers. Now select the image you want to use. Canva will begin processing your image. This may take a few moments depending on your device and internet connection. Once the design is ready, tap the text you want to edit. Then type your preferred text. When you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. Repeat these steps for any other text you want to customize. Once everything looks the way you want, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap download. Canva will process the image for a few moments. Once the export is complete, the image will be saved to your gallery, and that's how to edit text in photos with Canva Magic Layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.